We combine this one, six specific name for the quadrilateral. First, we are go for the square. Square, huh? Square is to be like this. Go here, go to here. I think here's enough, huh? Go to here. This one we call is a square. Okay. All sides are equivalent and all interior angle are 90 degree. Okay, this one we call is as square. How about the other side? We go for rectangle. Rectangle is like this. This one we call is a rectangle. I make it small, huh? We call this one is a rectangle. Agree or not? This one is a rectangle. We call this one is a rectangle. Okay, where's the opposite are 90? Opposite side are equal length. All interior angles are 90 degree. Okay, we'll go this one. This one is a right angle triangle. Okay, after that we are going to have a rhombus now. Rhombus. We call this one is a rhombus. Agree or not? This one is a rhombus. Rhombus. Agree or not? Very clear or not? You can see very clear or not? Okay. Okay. This one is a rhombus. We go further again. Go further again. Where is we can go for next? It'll be. We call this one is a kite. Agree or not? Kite. We call this one is a kite. Okay, kite this one. And parallelogram. This one we call is a parallelogram. Agree or not? This one is a parallelogram. Okay, this one is a parallelogram. This one this one we call as trapezium. Okay, you can need to understand six past them. This one we combine everything here. This one is a square. Agree or not? You need to know this one we call is a square. We call this one is a square. I think you better know about it, huh? This one we call it a square. This one we call it as rectangle. Okay, we call this one rectangle. This one we call as rhombus. Rhombus. This one we call as kite. This one we call as parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. Lastly, we call it a trapezium. Trapezium. Okay, this one is a six of them. So you need to identify is a geometric properties of these six specific name of the triangle. The quadrilateral. All are to be named as quadrilateral. All in name is a quadrilateral. You just to learn this one is we call it a quadrilateral. So you need to understand what is the geometric properties of them. Okay, this one we need to understand, huh? Okay, this is you need to understand. Where is a rectangle? All sides are equal length, and all interior angle are to be 90 degree. Okay, rectangle. What is a common properties with the square? All interior angles are to be 90 degree, but all opposite side are equivalent. Okay, for rhombus same as a square, where is all side are equivalent. I need to move like this. I need to be do like this. And you can see 4, 4, 4, 4. Yes, all sides are equivalent. This one 4, 4, something like wrong, huh? This one is to be this one 4, 6, 4. This one also 6 because this one is 2. This one should be 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. So why is winning here? Why is winning here? I need to make it to be better. Where is that? Wait forever, huh? Wait forever. I need to be 60 and 20 first. I make 8 2 decimal first, huh? Actually, it's 4.4247, huh? 4.47. Okay, be careful, huh? 4.47 here. Okay, 4.7 here. This one also 4.747. This one 4, exactly 4. This one exactly 2. This one also exactly 4, huh? So that is meaning here. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 here. So that is you need to understand lah. And also rhombus, what is rhombus, opposite are equal, opposite angle are to be the same. Opposite angle are to be the same. Where is the opposite side? There is an angle here. 什么就是说对面面的角度是一模一样。You can see, go to here, go to here. What is the angle? 53.13. Same as this one, 43.13. They are to be same. They are to be equal. Okay? Equal. Can you see or not? Opposite angle are to be the same, to be equal. Same as this one. Angle here, same as equal here. Okay? Same as equal here. So there is a main property you need to understand, huh? In order you can answer to solve the problems, diagonal should be perpendicular bisector to each other, huh? For this one, kite, only adjacent side are to be equal length. It basically meaning the angle here is 4.47, also same as this one. Okay, 4.47. This one different, 6.332. This one for different, but same as this one, 6.32. Agree or not? We have one student still exam today, huh? I don't know who is that. 4.47. For parallelogram, opposite are equal length. You can see, opposite are equal length. This one 4.47. This one also 4.47. Same this one, 4.47. Same they are same. Okay. Okay. Go for next to be. We are going to measure the angle distance here. This one opposite 8. This one also 8. Okay, this one, perimeter now. Perimeter for the 8. Okay or not? 8 is the opposite. This one for parallelogram, opposite side are equal length. Okay. Adjacent for kite, adjacent side are equal length. One pair only, huh? For trapezium, what is the characteristic there? There are only one pair of parallel lines. There is maybe this one different angle, huh? Just for the trapezium, only one property you need to understand that. Only one property you need to identify for trapezium is trapezium is they have a pair. Only one pair is a parallelogram, parallel lines. Same as this one. This one should not be. Another pair is not to be parallel. Okay, angle may be difference. Maybe difference. Maybe different standing there. I give you one example. What is another is to be. Another to be. Maybe this one also we call as what is that? Okay, this one we also consider is this one also consider is trapezium also. This one also trapezium. This one is also trapezium. This one also trapezium. Okay, trapezium. 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 This one also trapezium. Trapezium only one property you need to understand. Only one pair is a parallel lines. OK， 最重要只有这个 trapezium 啊，梯形啊，只是有一对是并行线的，然后其余的没有什么特别的哈，特别的属性哈。OK， 这个最重要，你们要明白哈。然后 parallelogram 它是面对面是它是并行线的 ，opposite are equal length and parallel。它不止 for parallelogram 啊，这个平行图面对面的角度是一样的，然后面对面的边一样长，还有它是并行的哈，并行的，也就是说去同一个方向，OK， 这个就不一样了哈。然后交叉点在 bisector only，no perpendicular bisector， 这个是 perpendicular bisector 我说，开 perpendicular no perpendicular only one， 只有一个而已 ，only one perpendicular diagonal to be perpendicular bisector by another diagonal，OK。这个要明白，这个最主要你们要明白了哈。我们整体上就是看这个整个的，就可以看到是什么哈。我们再看它角度看一下哈。再来看角度一下，在那里角度这个角度这个角度跟这个角度是53.17，但是这个呢，它完全不一样。这个两加起来不是一定是90度或者多少度没有 ，OK， 只有一对是一样的。For kite 这个风筝型this kite only one angle to be equal only one。This one 135，这个跟这个也是135 ，OK， 只有 one pair only。OK。Only one pair. Can you see or not? 这个跟这个一样，但是这个跟这个不一样。OK， they are different. OK， 这个最主要你要明白了哈，面对面的180，只有这个 one pair for kite 但是 for this one 它是面对面是一样的，然后还有一个特征就是那里的就是这个到这边到这边，意思说这边跟这个角度是一模126.87一样的，120一样。然后呢，这个角度跟这个角度，这个面对面这个是 interior angle，OK， 为什么呢？因为它是并行，这个跟并行是一样的，就是这两个角度加起来180度。你知道在哪180度吗？就是说这个跟这个角度180度，这两个叫做 interior angle。我看你们还没有上过课哈，什么叫做 interior angle 哈？这个OK，interior angle 就是128，因为它是并行线D 什么 DI 跟 GH 是并行的 ，OK。The line DI is parallel to GH. So this angle and this one angle to be called as 100 interior angle, which is 100. Their sum is 180. If you're going to calculate 53.13 plus 126.87, so total out to be 180. Because they belongs to interior angle. Okay, this one parallel and transversal. Okay, DG become transversal to the parallel lines of DI and GH. Okay, this one is very important for you to understand. For this one, trapezium you can identify is to be angle. Now we are going to identify this angle 116.57 degree, same as this one. Same. They are same. This angle, opposite angle are to be equal, same as this one. We go for another one is you can see angle here. I don't know whether can 63.43. We go this one opposite side here. Also 63.43. 63.43. H. Cannot this one. Is another one here. I don't know where is that. This one is belong to here. Okay, this one. Where is that? Wow, so many here. Hey. Okay, so 63 and 63 opposite angle are to be equal for a parallelogram. Okay, trapezium only one pair of parallel, so you need to understand all this property of quadrilateral,